Did some push-ups. It's spinning around here. All right, today I'm going to show you how to use a salad spinner to clean salad or spinach in this case right here. The leaves that I have is spinach. I'm going to show you how to clean this properly with a salad spinner. Okay, so this is a Good Cook salad spinner right here. It's an excellent tool for cleaning leafy vegetables such as spinach or salad. What is salad? Or lettuce. That's what people typically use for salad. But I'm going to go over the process and show you how to do it. So what I'm going to do is, first is, this salad spinner right here, it comes with a top, and it spins like this. Okay, you're going to stop it, and you're going to open it up. And inside, there are several bins right here. Okay, there's several bins. There's one right here that has holes in it, and this is for straining. And this is just the bowl itself for keeping the water in. And on top is the spinner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the salad spinner with the holes in it right here. And I'm going to open up the spinach right here. It's baby spinach right here. I'm going to open this up. And then I'm going to just place it in there just like that. Make sure I get all of the spinach in there. See how it's in there? And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to fill this up with water. Let's go do that. So with this right here, I'm just going to fill it with cold water or room temperature water right here. It's cold water. I'm going to fill it up. I'm just going to fill it up enough so you can see it pretty well. And so the salad or the spinach leaves can get fully submerged inside of the water. Okay, I'm doing this, and the more water you have in it, the greater solution, the easier it is for it to get rid of dirt and whatnots that are inside of the water. Now the spinning itself should be able to do help get rid of a lot of it, but the more water you have in it, just coming up to the top of this right here, the better for getting a lot of the dirt off. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this up. It's getting a little bit heavy, but good thing that I did some push-ups this morning, so now I'm strong enough to hold it. I'm gonna turn it off, and now I'm going to get to the spinning part. So I've filled with water. Now it's time to get to the salad spinning part of the video. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this is the top to the salad spinner. I'm gonna put it right on here. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and take off the sticker, right? The sticker is just showing the name of the salad spinner as well as the direction for spinning. It shows in a clockwise motion. So I'm going to take that off, and once that's off right here, I'm going to take this knob right here, and I'm just going to spin. And inside, when I'm spinning this, I'll get down low, not to the flow, but just low enough so you can see the action in hand. I'm just spinning this right here, and it's spinning the salad in the water, effectively helping to loosen up some of the dirt and whatnots that are on the salad spinner. Now, you don't want to go backwards because it'll do that. Did you hear that? So let me get down low, not down to the flow, but low enough so you can see the salad being spun. All right, and if you look at it, you can see that, why did my voice crack? That's not part of the video. So you can see that the salad is spinning around here in the water, and it's helping get rid of all of, or a lot of the dirt that may be on here, as well as other things that may be lurking on the leaves. So to spin it like this, and then I'm going to take this whole container, and then I'm going to strain it. And I'll show you how I do that right now. Give it a couple more turns. And let's go ahead and drain it. So now it comes time to strain it. But before I do it, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Salad right here has been spun. I'm going to put the top back on. And make sure you align it perfectly. And so once I have this, I'm going to go ahead and just take this. Comes like that. You can just drain the water. Just like that. Pretty cool design. So once I've done that, I can open this up and the salad is washed. Now, if you want to, you can do it twice. You can do a double wash or triple wash or 4-time wash or quadruple wash, or I don't know. I can't keep on going up. I don't know the words for those. But you can keep on doing that to, effectively wash the salad more. So now that I have this, you have the salad washed. Now you're good to go, okay, in the salad spinner. All right, I hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.